Hello, my name is Abby.
No, no.
Oh, what happened? Oh, I want my mommy. Oh yeah, I'm in my grandma's house. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Woo!
Alright, time to sleep.
Good night, sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs fly. Oh yeah. Good night.